Profitable hustles of 2025. It's money to be made out here. Let's get into it.
A few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
Maybe I should have prefaced this by saying that I'm not your average cookie cutter type of creator, because that's not my personality. I will tell you how to get to the bag though. I make money from my phone every single day, and actually today marks my 3-year anniversary of me being completely self-employed, meaning I quit my job 3 years ago. Now I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about how to make money from your phone. This will not all be in one video, but in this video I'm going to show you profitable hustles that you can do starting today. A lot of people consider these to be side hustles, but for me, these are my income streams, okay? I'm a hustler, baby, but my income streams because I'm a full-time entrepreneur. Now, I do know that full-time entrepreneurship is not for everyone, and I'm also going to give you one tip that I learned myself. Don't quit your day job until your side hustles are making money. I did the opposite, but I'm happy that I did because I get to teach you what not to do. Everybody's going to go for the digital products, digital marketing, and all of that. But I want to give y'all something that's inside of that that's not exactly that. It is called Invideo. Invideo is a video app or video AI that will allow you to create content in video form. I like to call it ChatGPT's best friend because I use ChatGPT and Invideo to make me 5 figures a month. You can talk to ChatGPT as if you're talking to your homegirl. That's how I talk to it. I act like ChatGPT is Tanisha. Hey Tanisha, can you show me how to maximize this being an advertising? And I add in the language that I want it to use. Then you'll take that over to Invideo and you'll copy and paste exactly what ChatGPT wrote out for you. It's gonna look something like this. Now, what I did was I act like I was a boutique owner that resell luxury items. So I asked them to create me a video or ad or commercial. And then I asked them to include color girls like me because I'm a color girl. Hello. And the person that I created it for is a color girl as well. I hate to say color girl, but so you can go ahead and start an advertising company where you make ads like this for small businesses like myself. I wish I knew about this when I started my business because I had no help, y'all. And that's why I'm here to teach you what I've learned along the way so that y'all don't have to struggle like I did. You can start a theme page on TikTok or Instagram or both where you create content specific to a niche like pets. Everybody loves pet content. So you create a bunch of pet content and you put it on your IG and you will grow your fan base from there, which you can do completely faceless. Brands will reach out to you to start doing sponsorships for them or create campaigns for them. Because I know a lot of y'all don't like to show your face. So I wanted to show y'all side hustles that can be faceless and non-faceless. Number 3 is to use it to create digital products. Everybody is looking for done for you digital products. So you'll create your own digital products that you can sell. With these 2 apps that I talked about, I just showed you multiple ways that you could use these 2 apps to start your side business today, your side hustle, or your extra streams of income. If you're not comfortable jumping into AI starting right off, I also have done for you IG Reels that you can download for only $5, 50 videos and 50 posts that you can use to start your faceless Reels today. And I do have 2 ebooks out right now. One of them is going to tell you everything about how to start your business using Shopify, Canva, and Printify, which is basically a drop shipping business that you do not have to use your face and you do not have to ship products. The second book is going to be all things affiliate marketing, brand deals, and UGC. UGC is another faceless way that you can make money without ever showing your face. So those 2 ebooks will be linked in the bio as well. It's $20.25, so the books are literally $20.25. I know that everyone doesn't learn at the same speed, and to get that honed in, detailed, tailored for you information, you can book me for a 2-hour course. So all those things are linked in my beacons, which will be linked in the bio. If you like content like this, go ahead and shoot me a follow. Also, keep in mind that I'm not a sit-down video type of girly. I'm just starting my YouTube, so I know that with YouTube, it is best to start off with teaching people things. But I'm a vlog girly. I want y'all to see me living my best life. So if you're into anything entrepreneurship, travel, and vlogs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment. If you hate it, go ahead and dislike it. Interaction is interaction. I'm Lady Unique, and it was great talking to y'all.